Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an incredible truck. It's a 1931 Model AA dump truck. It doesn't really resemble anything from the 30s, but I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. And man, I'm almost speechless. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's basically street rotted.
Okay.
My father built it. Took him 11 years to build.
Wow, talented, huh?
It's got a 460 big block Ford in it. Automatic.
Okay.
Air conditioning. It's got all the pleasures of a modern day vehicle. Disc brakes up front.
Mm-hmm.
It's custom paint, you know.
Very
And
cool.
fabricated the back.
It's all aluminum too, right? That bed?
No, that bed is all steel.
It's all steel, wow.
And he extended the nose, I believe, 13 inches.
Sure.
To fit the motor in.
Wow.
It's basically got every bell and whistle in it that you could possibly want.
Yeah. And the bed is functional. It comes up
Yes.
and down, right?
That goes up and down.
I love how it looks like M&M's in there.
Yeah, that was a questionable idea in the beginning. He wanted it to look like dirt.
Yep.
The guy doing the artwork tried to paint dirt, didn't look right.
Yep.
And they tried to paint rocks, didn't look right. And there was somebody else sitting there eating M&Ms, and he threw an M&M up, and he goes, I just put M&Ms in there. He goes,
Wow.
what a great idea.
What a fantastic idea.
Next thing they know, it was M&Ms.
Love the dual wheels in the back. And the fenders are fixed to the wheels up front with a
They
spinner.
actually turned with the wheels.
Very neat. Chrome springs, I mean, over the top. God. Inside we got buttons and switches everywhere too, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Definitely one of a kind. Can you pop the hood? Man, big boy in there. Chrome everything. Power steering, power brakes, air.
Yep.
Electronic ignition, high-rise manifold. Man. 11 years to build this. Man, look at all the braided lines and everything. Chrome everywhere. Man, he was some fabricator, huh?
Oh yeah, he had fun building this.
Disc up front, disc in the back too? Okay. Okay. Open the bed, you mean?
Oh, lift the bed up, yeah.
Oh, cool.
It's gotta be running.
Wow. Oh my God, look at that. That is incredible. So you moved the booster in the back. Wow. Oh my God. What a work of art. Jesus. Oh my God. It's got a killer stereo system, I see. Wow. All lit up under here also.
Yeah, it's got lights and all.
Jeez. What's the paint called?
Inside?
What's the paint called?
Good question. It isn't a good question. I'm just saying, I don't know.
It's gorgeous. Jeez. What a work of art.
I can open the back. I gotta put the bed back down too.
Yeah, go ahead, bring her down. Wow. You call, we haul. Oh, you have a release from inside?
Well, from here.
Okay.
Once it's up, it's a little tricky.
Okay.
I don't have the chains for it, so you have to be.
Oh, this side's got to be released. Oh, there we go.
Oh. Inside to stand up. Just gonna pick it up.
Oh, I see this. This piece?
Yep. I don't have the chains on it. Over here by my That's good.
Is that all right? Oh my God. Wow. There it is. Bought in 1970 for $50. Hand built. Wow, that is awesome. Oh my God. Wow. That is
This
just...
tailgate opens both ways, but I don't have the chains for it.
Oh, I see. Man, what a work of art. He's got 2,655 miles. That's it, huh?
When the speedometer was put in.
Wow, what a work of art, man. Oh my God. Definitely needs more gauges in here.
Want me to close that back up?
Not quite. Wow, that is just awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Thanks a lot.